Priya, as promised, I'm going to ask you if you'd just like to take a minute or so and just give us some key takeaways you'd like to leave with the audience before we sign off.
Thank you. If you have not heard me say this earlier, I'm going to say it again because it is important. Make sure you have policy procedures for an in-house disclosure program so that you know when you have invented, when you have created, tag those so that you know that those have been created with private funds. So later you can assert your rights to the government. If you are working under multiple government contracts, make sure you tag your inventions or confidential information, proprietary information, technical data, copyrights, whatever kind of intellectual property it is, with the relevant contract, the government contract, and the rights that you have retained and the rights that the government has retained. This becomes important later on if you contract with other private parties, or if you're later on a subcontractor and need to tell your superior contractor what those rights are. You also want to do this so that you can later assert your rights against the government. Once you lose track of this information, it's really hard to recreate, and it's really expensive when you call me in to recreate them. It's better to do this work up front than to realize the mistakes that you have done at the 11th hour when you're in battle with the United States government or with your superior contractor. Thank you. Again, you know, I've given you a lot of information in 53 minutes. If you have questions, please feel free to reach out to me via email or phone. Thank you.